Okay guys, let's start creating the pattern as you have seen on the thumbnail. So for that we will include directories over there. Hash include, just click here, hash include iostream onio.h, and then using namespace std. Now our body will start from here, int main curly bracket. Now I will declare three variable over here, int I, comma j and comma k, and then termination sign. Now I will use for loop over here for creating the pattern which I have shown you in the thumbnail. So I will use for loop for I equal to 4 termination. I'm sorry, I can write int over here. If I don't write, it will not give you error because I already declare int I over here in the above statement. So I equal to 4, I greater than I equal to 0, termination sign again, I minus minus, yeah, you can say I decrement over here. Now I will use another for loop which I have previously discussed, that when one for loop is another within the body of another for loop, and this scenario is called a nested loop. Here int k equal to 3, greater than or equal to 0, and then k increment. So in the statement of this loop I'll print cout and just double quotation mark and terminate. Now I will use another for loop outside of this statement. For int j equal to I, j greater than or equal to 0, and then j decrement. Cout. Guys, this line is important for printing the such pattern which I shown in the thumbnail, so note this point. Cout character, and then use I minus j, yeah, I minus j, and then plus 65. After this use this sign and double quotation marks again. So cout and I, and then return 0 as I have used int main. So just save this program and run it. There is some mistake, as you can see I have used conio twice. So now save it again and run it. Oh, I see there is some mistake. As you see that now you can see that I have shown you a pattern which I shown in a thumbnail, and it is printed over here, A B C D, and first in the first row I print all the element A B C D, and the second element one element is reduced, so now left 4, and so on. So guys, for watching more videos about C++ pattern, please watch my videos and subscribe my channel, also press the play button. Thank you.